So if you look at traditional computing, it largely involves what we would refer to as sequential processing. And this is something that's done by, for example, CPUs. And by this, what I mean is the software will ask the processor to do something, it will do that, it will go away, and it will come back, and then the software will ask it to do the next thing. This works really well. It's served us well for the last several decades. It's very controllable, it's very well understood, it's very easy to program. But what we found is as computing has become more and more sophisticated, it didn't map well onto all types of workloads. In particular, as we started to develop sophisticated user interfaces, that involved having to calculate a lot of pixels really, really fast in order to give a natural experience. And that didn't suit a sequential architecture very well. And so we started to develop parallel processing computing architectures, in particular what we refer to as graphics processors, GPUs. And what GPUs do is they process a lot of those pixels all in parallel. It turns out you can do them independently, and that gives you a very rapid experience. And this is something that imagination's been focused on for the last 30 years, being able to do really high throughput, high parallel, high efficiency, and high performance graphics processing in our GPUs. And as time's developed, these have become more and more general purpose. You can program them to do a number of different things, and we've seen a lot of workloads in recent times that fit well onto a parallel processing architecture, not necessarily sequential processing architecture, in particular things like Monte Carlo simulations, cryptography, and probably the most exciting is AI. AI actually maps really well onto a parallel processing architecture. And so we've been making a lot of adaptations to make our parallel processors on our GPUs not only good at graphics, but at general purpose parallel processing. In particular, if you look at our E-series, our latest generation of GPUs, they've got several adaptations that have been built into them that make them really, really suitable and very high performance at not only graphics, but AI workloads as well.